What is up, guys? We're back, and after that time lapse you guys seen, I'm not sure where the battery cut out, but we got the car based and cleared, so that's all done. Next process, we're gonna have to wet sand again to get the any runs out, and then go ahead and buff it. But I went ahead and lowered the car down yesterday because we lost power, so I was gonna wheel it out and take it outside and wet sand it, but didn't get to it. So today we're going to be wet sanding and clearing it, or wet sanding it and then buffing it. So yeah, I'm gonna get started on that. So I just started wet sanding, as you guys seen, and a little trick to see how well it's coming out is spray it with water like this. And then you take a squeegee like this and then just run it down. Get all the water off, and you can see if there's any orange peel or how flat it's laying down afterwards. So you can see up here, I'm just trying to stay away, but you can see how it's not as sanded. I don't know if the camera's picking it up, and then how flat this is. There was a run here, still working it out. You can see it a little bit right there, and I started on the bottom. So basically using 1,000 grit just to be safe. That way I don't take too much down, and then we'll knock everything down and keep going. So I just got the car wet sanded. I did 1,000 grit, got all the runs out, and then went ahead and did it at 1,500. Sanded the whole car down again, and then finished it off with 2,000 grit. We also used the DA with 2,000 grit on the roof, because that's nice and flat, so you don't have to worry about any of the edges. My dad did that. And then, so now just washed it off, soaped it off, got all the, any material off and dirt that might still be on it. And then I gotta go run and pick up some buffing compound, some cut and shine. So I'm gonna go run and get that. We might finish this up tonight, maybe tomorrow, see how it goes, or if the store has it. So, yeah, I'm gonna run and get that, and then we're gonna start buffing it.
This is like a cutting. So this is like a rubbing compound that cuts. So we use a foam pad so we can really get down and start bringing it back real quick. And then B is more of a polish, and then this is a glaze, a final glaze. C is. So we'll get the whole car done in A and B, and then we'll do C over everything.
Alright, so we just unwrapped it, untaped it, and washed it off and wiped it down dry. So it looks pretty good for doing it all in-house. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching the color change. Let me know what you guys think of the color, and then stay tuned for putting the rest of the car together and getting it back on the road. So I hope you guys enjoyed the whole painting process, and hope you guys learned a lot, and I know I did from doing it, so I hope it was documented well enough to help you guys out. So yeah, we'll probably do one last walk around of it, and then I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace.